Referrals. We would all want more of them. Now in this video I'm going to tell you how to get free referrals for your dental practice. I'm going to give you one tip. And I spoke a little bit about this in one of my other videos on the channel. You can check it out. I believe the title of it is How to Retain Patients for Longer. But in order to get more referrals for your business, you would need to have some sort of audience. And what I recommend you to do, besides the socials, besides Facebook page and Instagram, what I recommend you to do is to build your email list. Okay? Already when someone is a patient of yours, you are having their name, first name, last name, email, and phone number, right? So you should focus your efforts on building an email list. And this will help you not only retain the patients for longer, but also get free referrals. Because imagine you have an email list of, let's say, 500 people, okay? That you built over a course of few months, let's say, right? You have an email list of 500 people that were your patients, or you found a way to build that list. Now, what you can do is send an email to all of the list, to all 500 people, and tell them that between 15 and 25 of the month, every person that brings a friend with them or a family member gets a free consultation. And not only them, but also the person that they're bringing, okay? And this way, you are actually getting your patients back, or your past patients back, and also you're getting another person, an extra person that hasn't been to your practice before, okay? And basically, a free consultation, actually what it is just a sales funnel. So you're meeting with a person, okay? You're meeting with a patient, and of course, you're doing this in a right way, morally talking, right? But you're seeing the person, and you see what problems they have, if they have any. You tell them what problems they have, and you tell them how you can help them, okay? And you make them aware of the problems they have. And you also tell them, hey, if you want, I can fix your problems. Here's what it costs. Or if not, you can go to someone else. But I'm just letting you know, this is what it needs to be fixed in your mouth. Okay? It's very easy. It's very easy. Another person decides. And many of them will decide to fix their problems with you. And they'll give you money. They'll pay you for it. And that is how you can get free referrals for your practice. By building an email list and having an offer. I hope this video helped. If it did, please give it a thumbs up. If it did not, don't give it a thumbs down, please. And see you in the next one.